So what's the Homestead Act in Massachusetts? Well, folks, the Homestead Act was a law created in the state to protect homeowners in the place that they live and own from unsecured creditors. Now, when you buy a home and you live in the home, automatically in Massachusetts, you receive protection in the first $125,000 worth of equity that you have in your property. Now, what is equity? Well, if you make $1 worth of payment toward the principal of your mortgage, that's $1 of equity that you have in your home. What's an unsecured creditor? Well, an unsecured creditor would be somebody or something like a credit card or someone that might have a civil suit against you, all right? And so when there is a creditor out there that's unsecured, basically what happens is when you have a homestead, they have to sit and wait until you do something with your home. In other words, they can't force you to sell your house to pay them off. Now, when you file a declaration of homestead in Massachusetts, the protection bumps up to $500,000, the first $500,000 of equity that you have in your property. Dave Ceruolo, ceruololaw.com.